Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a biscuit milkshake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 of your favorite biscuits, 1 cup of cold milk, and 2 generous scoops of vanilla ice cream. For an extra touch of sweetness, you might also want to have a teaspoon of sugar or a dash of your preferred sweetener ready. These few items are all you need to create a delightful and easy treat right in your own kitchen. Now, let's prepare our biscuits. The key to a smooth milkshake is finely crushed biscuits. You can achieve this by placing your 6 to 8 biscuits into a food processor and pulsing until they form fine crumbs. Alternatively, if you don't have a food processor, simply put them in a sturdy Ziploc bag and crush them with a rolling pin until they are uniformly fine. Make sure there are no large pieces left. With your dough rested, it's time to roll. Divide the dough into smaller, more manageable pieces. Using a pasta machine or a rolling pin, roll each piece very thinly, aiming for a thickness of about 1 to 2 millimeters. This thinness is key for delicate pasta. Once rolled, you can cut the sheets into your favorite shapes, like classic fettuccine or wider tagliatelle. It's amazing how quickly fresh pasta comes together. Your delicious biscuit milkshake is now ready. Pour the creamy concoction into a tall glass. For an extra touch of flair, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of additional biscuit crumbs, a dollop of whipped cream, or even a whole biscuit on the side. Serve it immediately to savor its perfectly cold and rich texture. This easy-to-make treat is wonderful for a quick dessert, a refreshing snack, or a delightful pick-me-up anytime.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.